Nice day for it.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
But thank you very much for supporting the Town Council in putting on this puppet festival event, and I hope you enjoy the day. And we've got the weather, it's good, it's always very important for us. And I hope you enjoy the time and hope you enjoy the lunch as well. Thanks very much. And now,
yes, you stand. Sorry, can we just take you into this? I mean, you're not really going to cut it. Yeah.
Not really good. I hope he's going to cut it because I want a bit. Definitely. I like cakes.
Yeah, that's you never know, no, would you say?
No, you wouldn't. Look.
Yeah, one of those would be. Right, all done, right?
Are you busy with your driving?
Okay. That's fine, yeah.
I don't just love swimming in the sea. I don't just love building sandcastles. I love looking in rock pools. Isn't it fun when you look in a rock pool? Now, I got my magic.
How are you?
Right, thank you.
I saw you going there, and then you're...
That's like say no, Bjorn, like that. That's it. Say how you mean it. Good. Very good. Good boy. All right. Yeah, half of all the polar bears in the world come from Canada.
Then that way we can make that last.
There's around about 22,000 polar bears in the world. And it's just about stable at the moment, although a lot of populations are declining. Some populations are increasing. You got a question over there? Yeah. I can show you though, I have taught him to do a little trick. Do you want to see it? It's quite cool. Do you want to see it? Yeah? Do you want to see it? Because polar bears are very intelligent. They're actually, a scientist did a study recently and they think that polar bears are as intelligent as apes. Very intelligent animals. You'd have to be to survive in the Arctic, I think. Now, what I've taught Bjorn... Good boy. Oh, just... Have a quick hello. Go on, hold your hand out to fun. Alright, so they make a kind of art noise. If you feel a bit inhibited, that's alright, because you can just get your flippers and bang your flippers together. And that's called the seal of, you've got to take your hands out of your pockets, otherwise you'll never be able to bang your flippers together. It's called the seal of approval. So can we practice our seal noises? Practicing our seal noises? Yes.